Good morning, students. Today, once again, in trigonometric function, I am going to explain some more trigonometric identities and its proof. In my last class, I was explained some identity with the proof, and I was given a rule, sine C and D rule. In this rule, I was given sine C plus D, cos C plus D, and I have said that try to prove it. So I hope so some students of you have tried. Today I will explain this property also. Okay, so let us continue our trigonometric function and its identities. So students, here you can see I am going to explain this identity. Already you know that cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Already I have explained this identity earlier. So this is given property number 21 in NCERT book, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. So you need to learn these identities. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to twice of cos x into cos y. Next, second one, cos x plus y minus cos x minus y is equal to minus twice of sin x into sin y. Next, sine of x plus y plus sine x minus y is equal to twice of sine x into cos y. Here, see, in the case of cos, in positive both are cos, 2 cos x cos y. In negative, minus 2 sine x into sine y. And if sine x plus y plus sine x minus y, then one is sine, other is cos. 2 sine x into cos y means the greater value, like x is greater because x minus y is positive. So if it is positive, so sine x will come first. 2 sine x into cos y. And sine x plus y minus sine x minus y. If sine x plus y minus sine x minus y, its answer is comes out twice of cos x into sine y. So in this both property, you need to remember that the greater value. If I will take here minus common, so it can be written y minus x. So always the greater value. Here x is greater than y, and in this case you can say y is greater than x. That's why we are getting here negative. So greater value always in the term with the sign. So that is 2 cos x into sin y. So here I am going to prove this property. Easily you can understand its proof. How can you prove this? Easily you can understand its proof that cos of x plus y plus cos x minus y we want to prove. Already you know the property, you know the formula. I explained earlier. What is cos x plus y? What is cos x plus y? Cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. And what is cos x minus y? It is cos x into cos y plus sin x into sin y. If you will add both, on adding these two, cos x plus y plus cos x minus y, what you will get? On adding this minus sin x sin y, cancel with plus sin x sin y. So what is remaining? Cos x cos y plus cos x cos y. That is twice of cos x into cos y. So hence this first property is proved. Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to twice of cos x into cos y. I hope you understood this. Here, with the help of this property, I want to prove the identity of C and D rule. So for that, I have taken x plus y is equal to C and x minus y is equal to D. I have considered x plus y is equal to C and x minus y is equal to D. So students, if I will add C and D, so C plus D is equal to what is? X plus y plus x minus y. Here plus y and minus y is cancelled. This plus y cancelled by minus y, and what you will get? C plus D is equal to twice of x. So can you tell what is x? X is equal to C plus D by 2. And if I will find out the difference of C and D, means C minus D. So C is x plus y and D is x minus y. So minus x plus y. So here what is cancelled? Plus x cancelled by minus. What is remaining? Y plus y, that is 2y. We got 2y. Therefore y is equal to C minus D by 2. If I will put this value, means the value of x plus y C, value of x minus y D, and value of x C plus D by 2, and value of y C minus D by 2 in first property, in first formula. What is? Cos x plus y plus cos x minus y is equal to twice of cos x into cos y. If I will put in first, so it is becomes here c, look it first one, what is becomes this first, it becomes cos c plus this is d, so cos d is equal to twice of cos is equal to twice of cos x, what is x, c plus d by 2, so that is twice of cos c plus d by 2. And what is y is c minus d by 2, that is cos c minus d by 2. So you got, this is the cos c and d formula. This is called the formula for cos c and d. So cos c plus cos d is equal to cos c plus d is equal to twice of cos c plus d by 2, cos c into cos c minus d by 2, that yesterday I was given. It is its proof. So in this way you can prove this identity. And if these values I will put in the second, so it, what it becomes, it becomes cos c, here c, so cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 sine, what is x, c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. Is it correct? If I will put in third, so this is the formula of cos c minus cos d. What is cos c minus cos d? Minus 2 sine c plus d by 2 into sine c minus d by 2. You remember, if I will take here minus common, think if I will take here minus common, so it minus common करेंगे तो हुआ sine of minus d minus c by 2, and since sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, therefore minus will comes and multiply here and it becomes plus. So it also can be learned in this way, twice of sine c plus d by 2 into sine d minus c by 2 into sine d minus c by 2. Next, third one, if I will put in third, so it becomes the rule formula for sine c plus sine d. So what is sine c plus sine d is equal to twice of sine x is c plus d by 2 into cos y is c minus d by 2. So what is sine c plus sine d? Sine c plus sine d is equal to twice of sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. And next, fourth one, sine, it is c, so sine c minus sine d is equal to, what is equal to twice of cos, what is x, c plus d by 2 into sine y, that is sine c minus d by 2. So these are the property of c and d rule. So you can learn this property, and this is given in NCERT book as a property number 20. It is written cos x plus cos y. So you can learn this also, cos x plus cos y. What is cos x plus y? Twice of cos x plus y by 2 into cos x minus y by 2 in the case of positive. But in the case of negative, both are in sign. So you can learn this one, 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine y minus, here you have to remember y minus x by 2. Otherwise take here minus 2 sine x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2.